Say you have two functions multiplied together, like x squared plus 3x plus 4 times sine of x, and you want to find the derivative of the whole expression. To find the derivative of two functions multiplied together, you can use the product rule, which says that the derivative of something like this is going to be the derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. And you can just assign f of x and g of x to either function. So for example, to find the derivative, we could do the derivative of x squared plus 3x plus 4, which using the power rule is just 2x plus 3, times sine of x plus x squared plus 3x plus 4 times the derivative of sine of x, which if you don't know, is just cosine of x. So you just assign one of the functions as f of x and the other one as g of x, and then you just use the formula that I've written on screen. The derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. And you can still use the product rule even if you have more than two functions being multiplied together. You're just going to need to apply the product rule more than once. So here we have 3x squared plus 2x times e to the power of x times cosine of x squared. So to use the product rule for this one, we can just divide it up, like this for example. 3x squared plus 2x is going to be our f of x, and our g of x is going to be e to the power of x times cosine of x squared. So this is going to be our f of x, and this is going to be our g of x. And now using the product rule, we're going to do the derivative of f of x, which is 6x plus 2, times g of x, which is e to the power of x, times cosine of x squared, plus f of x, 3x squared plus 2x, times the derivative of g of x. And to get the derivative of g of x, we're just going to need to apply the product rule again, since it's a function multiplied by a function. So it's going to be times e to the power of x times the derivative of cosine of x squared, which is just negative 2x sine of x squared, plus the derivative of e to the power of x, which is just e to the power of x, times cosine of x squared. So that's how you use the product rule when you have more than two functions being multiplied together.